welcome back to another video, learn Java programming video. So in this episode we are going to learn something about statements. Yeah, and I want to show you one more thing. So I'm working in the NetBeans, so I can show it to you. Can work in this also. So create the application, YouTube. I'm also going to create main class. So strings, system out print ln. So I can show you one thing. So now John said goal. So do we see what is going to happen? And anyway, because there is error, John said just this. So because he thinks to this is one string and this is the second string and this is the error. So we need to escape this and we are going to do it like this. Right. So get to here, escape it with this character, and we need to escape one more. So now when we run this application, it's going to say John said go. So let's go to applications. Not John, like Charlie. Yeah, it's better name. So first statement is going to be if. No, actually, I know it when we start with. Yeah, I think if is the best one. So we declare integer I, goal, and it's going to be equal to 1. So now we are going to write if statement. So if goal is, I don't know, more than this, we are going to do this. Out print ln Charlie said. So we are going to escape it again. Go. Now, like, actually, what can I say? Hold on. I'm going to do something European like Real Madrid. 1. So this is our first if statement. So we declare variable goal, that is 1, and then we check. If goal is bigger than 0, then it's going to run this statement. Else, if it is not bigger than 0, then out print ln what can I say, Charlie said Real Madrid lose. Yeah, what am I doing? on this one. So do I see how much? It's 5 minutes. About, yeah. We are going to learn else if, and then we are going to. So else if goal is less than 1, or no, I'm going to do this for else, but else if, so it will run this, but if something, also here is going to be error. I need to do this here, else if, and here just else, or another else if. So else goal is less than 0. And system out print ln Charlie said, I'm going to copy this. It's a tie. I don't know. Yeah, this is perfect. So if we run this, it's going to be early method 1. If we set this to -1, let's run it again. Charlie. So it's tie, yeah. So because I need to do this like this. So if we do this, it's going to be. Oh, I'm wrong. It's my fault. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm really, really sorry. Why is this happening to me? It's less than 0, like this. So Real Madrid lose, and if it is 0, it should write it's tie and go before it. So it's 7.5 minutes. We can do like. Now I'm going to leave that for another part or episode, however you want. So this was another part of Learn Java Programming Special Edition or Full HD. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and goodbye. I'll see you next time.